Hey, what's up, guys? I've been working at my stand-up desk here for years without any real office chair. Sometimes when I really needed to sit down, I'd even pull up a camping chair like this one. So I finally got this FelixKing Ergonomic office chair. So let me show you what it comes with and how to get everything set up. The assembly only took me about 15 minutes. Everything you need does come in the box, including the tools, but I did grab my drill and some bits myself just to speed things up a bit. First impressions, it actually feels way more stable than I expected. The mesh back keeps it breathable, and the lumbar support hits in the right spot so I'm not slouching. And the flip-up armrests are always nice. Makes it easy to slide under your desk, especially if you don't have an adjustable desk. The seat cushion's firm, but I guess time will tell how well it actually holds up. But for now, it feels supportive enough for me. So overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly office chair. Sturdy, economic, and definitely better than the old kitchen chairs or camping chairs that I've been using for the last couple years. So if you're setting up a home office or just need something affordable and comfortable, this FelixKing office chair is definitely an easy win.